When I came in freshman year, one of the draws of the institution itself was you don't have to pick a major the second you step on campus because you're 17 and don't necessarily know what you want to do with your life.
You get a taste of every single aspect of like education that you might encounter like through high school and like go more deeply through it.
Being a biology major, I'm also learning about English, history, math, taking things out of politics, business. So just combining all of these fresh perspectives makes you think in a more broader sense about your discipline.
Small classes at Sewanee, I think, are just a pivotal part of the experience. You have to do your readings, like there's no getting around it. Like you have to do your readings so you can participate in our class discussions. Professors will know your name, they will know who you are.
Even professors that aren't my advisors, who I've maybe just had in class 1 or 2 times, they know me and they remember me, and if I see them in the hall, they stop and talk to me.
The professor will always have your back. They want you to succeed. They're not here to let you, struggle.
Your classrooms are right next to where professors' offices are. Like, professors do not try to hide from students, and I think that's a wonderful thing about Sewanee. Sewanee professors are so passionate about what they teach.
I was just blown away by the kind of academic system that Sewanee follows. It's super discussion-based, so you're getting a lot of inputs, and somebody who enjoys talking in class and who's historically been shut up in class for asking too many questions, this was like striking a gold mine.
The scale of life in this little place encourages people to make human connections that, while they can't change the world thousands of miles away, will be all important for shaping how we live our lives.
This place inspires really thoughtful conversation. I think that's really important to note because we're really unique.